button, so I'm going to make the recording again. So you're going to go to your Moodle classroom. You're going to click on the class work database. And I see a bunch of you have already done it, so that's good. So you're going to, every student, right, even 7 of you were on one team, but everyone needs to do the same thing. So you click add entry, right? Then you add your name, student ID, the date's already put there. File attachment, we don't need to worry about it right now. Remarks, just give me some comment, such as week 02 in class activity. And then where do you get your work product URL? Well, you go to your Prezi, and then whatever is your Prezi that you've been working on. And every team member is now set up as a collaborator, right? So if 7 of you worked on it, just go and do the thing about, that's just a little pretend one I made there. So anyway, you go up there and you get the, you get a better one. Yeah. So there's where you added your collaborators. And you get a link to the presentation. There's a few ways to do it. You could say share, or you could just go and create link. Yeah, so here's a Prezi I just made. So I get there. And then I say create link. And then I can just copy that link. Then I just go back here to my class work database. I paste it in, and that's all. So then I just go ahead and click on save and view. So everybody make sure you've done that. If you need to review that, you can just watch the video. Well, we're going to present it next week, right? And we're going to carry on. This will be our continuing work. The purpose of this was to get you to understanding the body of knowledge. It's not going to be, people go and do PhDs on project management, right? So I don't think it's ever going to be totally complete, because every time you do a little bit more work, you understand more. But just come here next week, 9 o'clock, bright and early, and I'll call your team up and you'll present it. And then, it's like 2% for each class activity. So if you do a reasonable job, I won't mark you too harshly at the beginning. The marking will get a little bit harder as we get to the end of the course. But just basically come and do the best. Try and do whatever it takes to teach your class members what you have learned about it. And you're going to learn about the other ones from them. Oh, yeah, you can submit it before start of class next week. And another thing I want you guys all to do, and I will figure out a way to give you some marks for it, I would like everybody's LinkedIn profile. I want you to create a Moodle database record, just put your name and give me your LinkedIn public profile, because that's an important thing. And even though this is not a career development class, sometimes I give people advice on how to improve it. And I would like to see that in there, you're just mentioning you're taking training on project management, Prezi, Microsoft project, and so on. I would like to see you kind of taking this opportunity to build up your LinkedIn as well. All right, guys, class is over. See you next week.